In this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer your playlist from Apple Music and other music platforms to your YouTube Music. Very simple and easy. So all you need to do is just tap on your profile on top there like that. And on here, you tap on your settings. Good. So on your settings, you tap on your privacy and data. So now let's tap on that. Good. So on our privacy and data, you can see transfer playlist from other apps. So you just need to tap on that there. So I'm on Android. I have Apple Music. So it's going to be some way. So I'm just going to show you guys how to do this. So what you need to do is you can see here, there's even a guideline to transfer and copy data after signing in here. I think it's going to redirect you there. So you just click and then transfer it, and then you click on your music playlist. You want to do that and you confirm and you export. Other music services too, you can do same Amazon and Spotify and all that, Soundies and Tune My Music. You can do all that too on there too as well. So that's it on how you transfer your playlists from Apple Music, Spotify and the rest to your YouTube Music. If you are new here, just give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Peace.